Yeah, it's going to be pretty noisy out here. This is the John Deere 2030 I have here at my facility. The one that has the rebuild injection pump and some other things. Anyway, I was mowing the other day with the MX6, and when you raise the mower, it was way too light in the front end. It was coming off the ground, so I had to add some more of these Kubota weights that I got. I had to buy the weight mount and found a used one from Allstate Ad Parts. With shipping, it was $350. It seemed high, but it's the right part, and it saves me 6 or 7 hours on fab time. Got the weights mounted, about 700 pounds worth. Worked out pretty good. And over here, fabricated a step instead of buying one. They're a $100 bill if you buy one aftermarket. And I had this bar stock, just made my own. That worked out pretty good. When I was running it, the 3-point lift lever would move up on its own. This pin right here, there's 3 flat washers. One's hardened steel, 2 spring washers, and then over here on this side on the pin, it has a defined thickness to it. The spring washers were wore out. The pin weldment was worn down. There was no tension at all on the lever, and now it's got tension so it won't drift up on its own. Also adjusted the rock shaft here. You got 3 positions where you can put the rock shaft, control the speed of the lift, and actually the total height of the lift. This here is how you control the speed down when you lower down your implement. Tighten that up a little bit. So that's about it. I'll go ahead and grease it up and then take it back down the lot. Got just a little bit more mowing to do, and I mowed about 2.5 hours with it the other day, and it worked fine. This is small little fixes. And, with all this weight on the front, I got to air up the front tires now. They're a little bit low. But the step, that's a good height. Makes it easier getting on this tractor. When you try to step up to the floorboard, it's actually pretty dang tall. And there's no grab handles on these tractors. There might have been at one point, but there ain't now. So, that's about all. I have to go up to my farm. I've got some work to do on my other 2030 on the hydraulic remotes. I'll take a picture of that or video. And I also got a step drawbar for it to correct the height of my scrapers, especially the 2-wheel. That's about all on this one. Thank you.